lightning was right outside my window. Look, you can see how fast it's coming up. Like, ah! It's out! That tree's getting battered. Look, you can see how bad it is on the roof. It's going over the camera. Ooh! Just flash! Get up again now. Come on. Let's go over there.
Come over the back, so I'm
not taking photos. I'm recording. So, I might see if we get a flash of lightning. How did it rain? Hot Gardens pudding. Woo. Oh, Misty, what? You like it? Get up. Get up in there. There you go. She's checking. Can't see much out of it, just rains are collected on the window. Misty, get up! Just trying to back at my leg. It's going right up the door. No, they've gone in now. What?
It's what?
They've gone in now. Hi guys! Look outside, it's pushing it down! It's thunder, lightning, and my back garden is flooded. I hope it doesn't come through the back door. But yeah, we've had a few lightnings and everything. I don't think you can really see clearly through the window. Misty's scared! Come here, Misty! You don't like thunder, do you? You think someone help me? Tiddles was outside and then all of a sudden it just banged it down. Anyway, and she was like, no. Oh, come here, I'll save you. Ah, little Misty Moo. Ah, Mr. Pussycat's here like, yeah, I don't want to go Aileen. Look, it's your friend. It's your friend. Go sit with him on bed. Whoop! Sit on his bone. Eh? You? Look at the face. He's like, what the fuck is this? You look scared about something then. He was having a real freak out this morning because of this thing here. A Juvia cosplay that I've got on my mannequin. He was like proper freaked out by it. Oh yeah! Aww. Yeah, he also got freaked out because I had the laptop on the kitchen shelf and I was like baking. And he was probably freaked out by the laptop being there. He's like, that's not supposed to be there. There was still some weird noise outside. I don't know what that was. Yeah. I wonder if we can catch some lightning. Yeah. Still got the lightning for us. They can look at my new posters. Woo! Yeah, it started off really nice and sunny. Me and Missy went for a walkies. Me and Missy, yeah. You can see camera. But it didn't last for long, did it, Misty? But we're out in it. Is that Aileen? Didn't it, Misty Moo? Yeah, it did. Yeah, we're all in. I'm in pyjamas. Ooh. Yeah. It's red hot, but pissing it down. And I just read the Blue Exorcist manga. I'm gonna put the review for it, like the newest chapter. Pretty good. Like, ooh, storms, Misty. I love it when it storms. I hope it storms through the night. I just like the sound of rain and storms. Misty, I'm spinning. I'm spinning, Misty. You buddies. Pardon me. Busy drink. Are you burning? And Tiddles has hid away somewhere. Where's she gone? Yeah, we'll go have a look in the back garden, back bedroom. What's it like outside?
Terrible. It's still warm.
Yeah, it's slowed down now though, hasn't it? Yeah. Like the bucket was empty down there, and now it's. I hope I don't let the camera down. Now it's full down there. On the back door there was a puddle. I'm missing to it. Let's see the lightning now. The lightning stopped as I started recording. I'm just trying to like hold it that way so that I can get it through the window. Because these stupid windows. Whee! Decorating! Decorating that room. Someone's just come home with the shopping. I just can't film them. And the birdies are flying away in the rain. I need to slow down a bit now, the rain. It's chilling out now, Misty. You don't have to be scared anymore. Save me. Stop trying to bite me. Very cruel to bite you. And they got no teeth. You've got teeth, haven't you? Ooh. Yeah, so today we were baking too. Plus that was a bad idea because it's boiling hot, and I was just like, really, like it was supposed to rain, and And then it's like been hot the last few days, and then an hour later after I like said that, I put some online, I was like, no, it's raining. But actually, I like the thunder. It's been too hot, so I'm glad it's raining now. It's cooled down, and there's been a lot of wind. Hello, Misty. Misty tried to get in my bed last night, didn't you? You thought you were getting bed to yourself. You didn't want me in the bed, did you? You won't let me in. You said, no. Is it on my bed? Yeah? Girl. Sit with your friend. He'll save you. He's like, no. Come on then. Come on. You better off sitting there, Misty. Yeah. You want to stroke your belly? Yeah. Don't kick cat, it'll get you. Okay. But yeah, that's it from us today. So.